The ITEL P65 is a budget-friendly smartphone designed to cater to entry-level users while delivering essential features at an affordable price. Design and display. The ITEL P65 sports a sleek design available in Cyber Blaze, Cyber Black, and Cyber Titanium color options. It features a 6.7-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The screen provides decent brightness and clarity for its price segment, making it suitable for media consumption and daily usage. Performance. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Unisoc T615 chipset paired with 4 GB of RAM and an additional 2 GB of virtual RAM. The octa-core CPU, 2 by 1.8 GHz Cortex A75 6 by 1.6 GHz Cortex A55, ensures smooth multitasking for lightweight apps and moderate gaming. Camera capabilities. The phone features a single 50MP rear camera, which delivers good image quality under favorable lighting conditions. For selfies, it houses an 8MP front camera located in the punch-hole display. Both cameras support 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, making it a decent choice for casual photography and video call. Battery and charging. The P65 is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring up to a full day of use on moderate workloads. Connectivity and features. While the ITEL P65 lacks 5G connectivity, it supports 4G networks alongside Bluetooth, GPS, and FM radio. Additional features include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock for security. Overall, the ITEL P65 is a solid choice for users seeking a budget smartphone with essential features. Its combination of a large display, capable chipset, reliable cameras, and long battery life makes it an attractive option in the entry-level segment. Thank you so much.